Welcome back. Excuse me, got a little excited there. Welcome back. Wow, can't drink my LaCroix without choking. Welcome back to another Lego building video here. Get the ambient tracks going here. Alright, yeah, so sorry getting started super late here today. I'm going to finish up this alt build finally, and then roll the die for a small set. I've got just about an hour and a half-ish, maybe a little less than that, to try to knock this out. So I'm going to try to stay focused and on task today in a way that I have often not done. So let's see, we'll get the music shut up over here, get the monitor turned on, today to the Lego website, Galaxy, it'll pop up from that, right? Yeah, there we go. Building instructions. And it is this one. Yeah. So, gotta be getting pretty close to done on this one here, but a little bit to go in the Reverso section here. But we're probably almost done here. So that should be a pretty short video. We'll wrap that up, and then you can join us in for the next die, whatever the die decides. Scroll. Or I can just do this. Got that on there. Yep. Build these up. Yep. Build the other side. Yep. We did that. Okay. So this is where we're at. So yeah, man, we were so close to the end last time. I can't remember what I had to do. I had to do something. Meet someone somewhere or something. Couldn't finish it up, but we are going to finish it up right now. So, let's see here. It shouldn't take us too awful long. All this stuff pulled out. Trying not to spill anything today. I think last time we definitely could have completed it if I had just not spilled all the pieces, but, you know, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Really spoiled by the numbered bags system. Very spoiled. Very spoiled indeed. Last time I spread these out like on some trays, but I feel like we're close enough to the end here that that's probably not necessary. Probably. I don't know. Excited to pop something new and get into a new build here. Maybe when I do the next alt build for this, I'll take the time to go through and actually like create bags for it, or you know, have them, you know, kind of ordered out by needed components. That would be a polite thing to do, I think. For the stream. Save us all some time rummaging. sure there's, I'm sure there's some people that find the rustling of the pieces soothing. But there's plenty of ASMR style content out there. I don't think we need to go too deep down that particular rabbit hole. I'll get some instruments up top here. Interesting. Where would I put that piece? Bust open the gray tub here. See what we see. Okay, we found the staff. Now, I think this would be in here. Let's try this trick. It's a good trick. It's a good trick. Classic from my childhood. Right? It's kind of loose. Okay. Let's see here. This guy had a technical pin loose. There we go. Use that up. Go faster now that we have less pieces left. Airwolf, welcome into the stream, buddy. How you doing? Sorry about our late start here. We're just getting started now, just about 10 minutes into the stream. So we'll probably go for like an hour and 20 more minutes, something like that, before I run off to I've got an appointment at a store that does custom frames for a poster that I bought when I was in Prague that I haven't completed yet. But yeah, hope you've been having a nice week. We're just finishing up this today, and then we're gonna go to one of the small sets. Okay, so let's see here. Looks like this is just gonna fold down, so this is gonna go like right here. Okay, then these can close, or I guess this one's to fold down first. Then these can close. Space enclosed now. Latches close. You can pop that back up and then open these. You can see this reactor thing. Okay, for sure. Lurking it up. That's cool. Appreciate your stopping in to say hi. Nice to see ya. Be here for we'll be going for a little more than an hour, so we'll probably get to chat a little later. Let's see here. Okay, gotta put some engines on this bad boy to finish it up here. This is probably the final bits of this, basically. Yeah, for sure, dude. We'll catch you a little later on in the stream here. Sounds good to me. these engines, it looks like. Doubling up. Got our T-rod in here. The crow's nest going. This is a good, yeah, these are nice engine pieces. Looks cool. Let's see. Okay. One more techno pins coming out of this side here. It's just a spacer. So, oh yeah, nice. Looking good. Got a pin right in the middle. Okay, so this has to be sticking out. So let's get that. Push that with something. Gives us a little more leverage, like so. So we got in here, we got like an extra engine or something like that. So there's our first engine. Where are we on? So out of focus. There we go. Knock out one more of these real quick, and then basically should be in business here. Probably display this version of the build for a while before we break it back down to do the alt build anyway. So that'll give me a little bit of time to think about if I want to try to do the bags and everything like that, or how I want to sort it out. I am interested in doing some of the custom style builds, you know, the MOCs for a few of the things we really enjoyed building, like the medieval blacksmith, things that are going to be fun to put back together again someday. But yeah, same thing with that. I don't know if I'm gonna want to like, you know, go through it in advance and number the bags. I feel like that can kind of spoil some of the surprises of the build, but also, like, I don't know, on some of them I've been able to kind of tune out the actual instruction part. I can just look at the things required on each step and then gather that stuff up and organize it out. I did that a little bit with some of the Creator 3-in-1s and things like that. So potential for something like that. Alright, let's get our engines on here. Peasy right on the back. Massive thrusters. So the ship's gotta be fast. Alright, yeah, that's that. That's the final step. Alright, so cool. That is the, let's get some astronauts up into this. Actually, matter of fact, now that this is complete, I can combine these. Save on a little space here. My goodness, sneezing it up. So yeah, here's the extra pieces. a few left over from the main build. This is pretty much just a smaller version of the main build, more or less. But it really does scale nicely, and everything looks very thought out and, you know, cohesive, which is nice. Definitely cool, especially if space is at a premium, as it often is for us, trying to decide what we want to display and what needs to get broken down, things like that. Got our landing gear here. So this is, you know, it's a smaller version of the model, basically. It saves us a little bit of shelf space. These guys don't really... I mean, this has this grate in here, which makes it so he can't really sit. Maybe he's not supposed to, maybe they're just... I mean, they're a little loose in there, but still asleep. Ready to begin their adventure. Yeah, so... pretty sweet. So yeah, short video to finish up the build here. Whatever I had to run off and do last week must have been important. I think it was. I can't remember what it was, but regardless, thank you for tuning in to check this out, and we'll see you in the next video. Stick around on the stream. We're gonna roll our dice here, and yeah, we'll get all of that going. See what we're gonna build here. Let's see. So let's play our theme song here, courtesy of my friend Patrick of Jinnouchi Power. See you next time.